morning, students and parents. I welcome you all in online teaching program by R&D Group of Schools. Student, today we are going to start our fourth lesson plan of block 9. Before this, we have completed 3 lesson plan and 3 worksheets of block 9. I hope you all have completed your homework also. Students, before going to proceed our class, first collect your all resources. And what will be our today's topic? Our today's topic is words with double E, E-A, A-E and A-Y. So students, we are going to make words. So for this we need letter cards also, as I told you in previous class. So this must be in your resources. Letter cards, content book and notebook. And what will be the keywords? T, C, tree, state, daisy, yesterday. Yes, students, as from the topic it is clear that today we are going to make words with the help of these letters. Yes, students, now I am going to write a sentence on the board. You will look at this sentence very carefully. I sat on the beach. I sat on the beach to see the sea. To see the sea and had 3 cups of tea. 3 cups of tea. I sat on the beach to see the sea and had 3 cups of tea. Okay, student, now look at these words which I have underlined. I have underlined some words. Have you noticed anything? What is common between these words? Okay, pronounce these words with me. Beach, sea, tree, tea. What is common? Right. In all these words, which sound we are getting? E sound. E sound. E sound. Yes. So what is our today's aim, students? To make new words with EE and AE sounds. Means today we are going to make new words with double E sound and E sounds. By using the letter cards, today we will make new words of E and E sound. Let's start our action time today. For action time, you need some letter cards. Which letter cards you will collect? These letter cards: Y, S, E, T, A, I, R, E, D. You will collect these letter cards. Yes, students, now I have written some sentences on the board. I play in the garden every day. I see a monkey with short hair and a long tail. Yes, students, you have noticed I have underlined some words like play, day, hair, tail. How I have underlined these words means how I have sorted out these underlined words. Means I have sorted these words according to the sound like play, day, hair, tail. According to the sound. Okay. What sound do they all have, students? Yes, they all have the sound AE, AE, like play. When you will pronounce play, day, which sound you are getting? Play, day, AE, A sound. Hair, tail. Hair, tail. In these words, you are getting the same sound, AE sound, but these are spelled with AY and AI. Play and day are spelled in the spelling with sound. They are these all 4 words. The sound is same like A sound, but they are spelled differently. Like in play and day, we are spelling AY. We are writing the spelling AY. But in hair and tail, we are writing the spelling AI. So this how we have sorted out these underlined words. Students, now take out these letter cards. Yes, you can see on the screen. these letter cards we will use to make the words. You will use all these letter cards to make new words. At least 10 words you will make and write down in your notebook, and you will read the words aloud. Student, now take all these letter cards. By using these letter cards you will make words. We can make the first word T. T, E, A. C. Now we can change T with S. What is it now? C. S, E, A, C. Again C. S, double E, C. What is this now? C. Say. S, A, Y. Stay. S, T, A, Y. Stay. Ray. R, A, Y. Ray. Dear. Now what is it? Dear. Now we can make read. How can we make read? We can exchange the first letter with the last letter. Now what is it? Now it is read. Our next word is day. D, A, Y. What is it now? It is day. Daisy. D, A, I, S, Y. This how we can make many more words. These students, we have made these words like T, C, read, dear. Students, now pronounce all these words with me. As I am pronouncing the word, you will speak after me. T, C, red, dear, C, tree, dear, day, ray, say, stay, state, daisy, raise, and many more words you can make. Students, now what will you do? You will make one longest word by using all the letter cards except I. You will leave only the letter card of I, and rest of the letter card you will use to make the longest word. Yes, students, think about the word. What it could be? Right, it is yesterday. Yesterday. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Here we have not used I. Now it is the longest word. If we are comparing this word with all these, this is the longest word. Student, now move to the analysis part. I am going to ask some questions which are based on the activity. How can we sort out the words we made? How can we sort out the words we made? Yes, we can sort out the words by their sound, as we have sorted out here. E sound or A-Y or A-I sound. In this we have written the words which are having the sound E, and here we have kept the words which are having the sound A. A-E sound means T-E-A-T, C, read, dear, C, tree, dear. These words are spelled by using E-double-E or A-E, and the sound is of this one, double E. This is the sound, and in these words day, ray, say, stay, stayed, daisy, raised, we are getting the sound A-E, A sound. Yes, but the spelling we have used in these words, that is A-I and A-Y. By using these spellings, these words are made, but the sound is A and here the sound is E. So this is how we have sorted out the words. Student, my next question is, in which column we should put the words paint, sail, train, pail? Yes, in which column we should put? Think about it. We have put these words pail, train and paint in this column, as we are getting the sound A. When we are pronouncing pale, which sound we are getting? Pale, A sound. So we will put these words in this column. Ready for the next question? The next question is, what are the different way to spell the words like EE sound or AE sound. The different ways to spell the double E sound and AE sound. The double E is sometimes like spelled double E or EE. Like in C, SEEC or SEAC. Both the time we are getting the same sound E, but the spelling is different. One time we are getting double E, and next time we are getting this. We are writing the spelling EA. And when we are writing this, when we are using the sound AE, it is spelled like AY or AI both. Means we are using AY also and AI also, like hay, paint, trail, stay, day. In these words we are getting A sound, but it is spelled like by using the letters AY or AI, but the sound is of AE. Student, my next question is, what happens when two vowels team together? When two vowels team together, what happens on that time when we are using two vowels team together? Right. When two vowels team together, they make only one sound, usually the name of the first vowel in the team. Means when we are using two vowels together, on that time they make only one sound. We are not getting both vowel sound. We are getting only one vowel sound. And which vowel sound? Usually the name of the first vowel. We are getting the first vowel sound. Like if we are writing like in team, here we have used two vowels team together like E or A. But which sound we are getting here? E sound, and it is the name of the first vowel. Like which is the first vowel? E. And what is its name? Its name is E. So we are getting the first vowel name only on the time when we are using two vowels team together. And sometimes we are using Y also, the part of vowel team. Y is also used as the team of vowel, like in AY like day, hey, stay. Here Y is the member of the vowel team. Student, my next question is, how do we use AI differently than AY in words? How do we use AI differently than AY in words? Right, the letters AI come in the beginning or middle of words, but AY come at the end of the words. The letter Y likes to be at the end of words, but the letter I doesn't. Like AI trail, TRAIL, trail. It comes in the middle of the word, and AY, DAY, it comes at the end of the word. So this how these letters are used differently. Students, now it is time for application part. What will you do? You will complete S4, which is given on page number 8 in your workbook. In your workbook, page number 8, S4, words with EE, EA, AI or AY sound. First question is, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with double E, EA, AI or AY sound. Look at the picture. Through the pictures you can easily fill up these blanks. Like in first picture, what is this? Yes, this is tree, so you will fill here TREE. Yes, which sound we are getting here? E. So this how you will fill all the blanks. Now move to question number 2. Make sentences with any 4 words from above. Now you will take any of the 4 words which you have made by filling the blanks, and then you will make 4 sentences. Students, now move to the homework part. What will you do? You will complete practice question 4, which is given on page number 9 in your content book. At last it is time for summarization. What have we learned today? We have learned how to make words EE, EA or AI or AY sound. Students, be ready for the next class also, and resources for next class. Next class will be our grammar class. Take your grammar guide with you. Thank you. Have a nice day.